Hello and good day, guys. Hope you are in at the end of the weekend now. Last week when I predicted the gold and it worked very well because I wanted the price, the short to be taken at 277. So if we count Friday, these are the four days. This is January 1st. So, and this is January 2nd. So January 1st, it didn't materialize, but on January 2nd, the gold hit to 280, and the price go short at 277. It took the price there. Then the first target was 2057. So the first target has been achieved in second day, and in the third, fourth day, the second target has also been achieved, if you guys can see here. So let's do the analysis again now. As I have mentioned that there was a double top in the daily time frame, you guys can see, and it pushed the price back, and this was the double bottom we got in back in, I think, in, if I'm not, in October, and that pushed the price where it is, and gold made the record high of 2149. Now, seeing the current structure here, we can see that the gold is giving us a sense of bearishness. But let's do it from the beginning. Let's go to month. This is the last month candlestick, which was very bullish, and it came retraced with a long tail, long shadow on the upper side, and this shows that gold has lost its traction on the upside, because if we measure this guy from here to here, it is how many, 820 pips, not a matter of joke. So this is the thing. Now I marked this one also in the monthly, this guy. If you can see that until the gold break this guy, we don't have any traction on the upside, which is if you say 2082 or 83 is the price, 2083 is the price where the gold need to cross to get bullish further. So there is nothing here at the moment. And if we see the range of the gold now, let do the analysis. This is the whole range of the gold. I have seen a lot of viewers are coming and showing keen interest in gold, so I would like to. Actually, this is not the actual range. The range is a little bit deeper, but let's start from here, just not to make it because it is almost $400 here. We are talking already more than $400. So if we measure the depth of the market at current at the moment, then we have a 50% area is this. So always remember that this is the key price. Keep in mind 1881 is the key price where gold will always show some big reaction. Okay, so you can see every time the price comes here, it gives reaction and breakout, get retest this area breakout. So keep that in mind. Let's put it like this. Now what is happening at present? Do we have a double top in monthly, as it is the first candlestick of January, so we cannot declare anything in monthly. Okay guys, so let's remove this guy now. We don't have required this, and see these as we have a green and red, so we need to go to weekly, and we have a double top in weekly, very clear double top. Though it is very important to understand this is a very high depth market. Okay, the depth of here is more than $82, so be careful guys when you trade gold. This depth is very dangerous, because you don't know if it goes 50%. A lot of things can happen. We are talking about around how many pips here? We are talking about 274. on the, or what? Hold on guys, let me measure properly so I don't give you wrong information. So 272 to 200 to 2072 to 214545 plus 28, not a matter of joke, almost $75. So if it goes to here, 50% of this is even $35. So be careful. Now we have an official double top in weekly, not monthly. And anytime it makes a double top, it will show some color of it, and we are seeing that color already, that it is trying to break on the downside. Can you guys see? And also last week I did mention that this pattern of three falling methods we call, once it happens and it is within a single candlestick, the gold will come down, and it came down. So now let's not visualize this in just keep it in mind, 1881. We don't want in weekly or daily, no required, just we need to visualize that in monthly. Whenever we go monthly, we can see this half 50% is our range, and this is the price where the gold needs to break the structure, because if you guys see in monthly that this price has been honored once, twice. Let's get back to weekly. So we have a three falling method here, and we have seen that green red bearish candle with three bullish candle have failed to surpass its body, and it retraced back. That's it. Now in weekly, if we measure it from the nearest double bottom, then the price should come up to this level. Okay guys, this is the range. The price should come here. Now, this price should come here, then we can decide where or what to do and what not to do. And here you can see this line is consistent here, here and here, and based on this line a lot of price action has been happening. Now my question is this pushed the price back here. Now what we should do, let's go to daily. I want to know what stopped the price here, why it didn't fall down as per my prediction of 2005. It is stopped at 2024. Take profit 1 and 2 has been done, but 3 didn't achieve 1. So if we do that, let's check. Weekly we don't have a double bottom, monthly we don't have any double bottom. Let's go to daily, and daily do we have a double bottom? No, we don't have any double bottom in daily. So let's get back to 4 hourly. And always all the time the big financial institutes plays us this area. All the time they do that, all the time. So if we have checked, there is nothing there, and we can see there is a 4 hourly here, there, but it is within the last week, so we need to check something here or from here. You guys can see, can you guys see? This is the place from where the big financial institutions create a double bottom, and it has been created in 4 hourly. Okay, this guys has created this in 4 hours, and this time I am a little bit concerned for 2 reasons. One reason is this, that maybe I will not be able to give you any definite trade lead, because the reason for that is we have 2 long shadow on the lower side as well as the upper side, and it creates a very bad impact in the market, because we don't know which way the market is going. So see, the price came down to 2024 and it pushed the price up. and it made another big jump and went to 2065, but it failed this area. Can you guys see? I hope you can see it very clearly. And came down here again. It tried and it failed. Now we don't know what is going to happen. So what is the safe way to trade gold at the moment? So we would like to go on a higher time frame to see. Hold on guys, all my marking are not showing in higher time frame. I need to enable them. Okay, last time we measured the depth of the market from this guy, as it we have a double top in daily, that it should come to 50%, and it did come. Can you guys see? If I keep it, this is the 50% line. Okay, it did come the 50%. So this 50% give us two clues in the time frame. One clue is this, that it has fulfilled one pattern which is very unique, and this is the cup and this is the handle. Very clear, we have achieved it already. Okay, if we measure this from here to here, from here to the top, we can see this is the 50%. If you want to see, let me show you guys. Okay, so it reached the 50% level already. So cup and handle is a very powerful pattern. We have to keep that in mind. And there is two options here. Either it will break out on the downside, come to this neckline, the bottom of this cup, and break and go downward, or otherwise it will come to this neckline here. Okay, here it will come here and break this neckline and move upward. So this is one option we have. Another option we have is it is going to come and break this area. This is the only two options we have. So where should we take the trade? Now we achieved what we wanted. So where we achieved what we wanted. Now it is showing a confusing. In day time frame, you can see a candlestick with the same shadow on the top and bottom, same length of shadow, and the market is in indecision to determine where it should move, right? So let's get back to lower time frame. In my opinion, if we decide on this thing, we need to have to do things. First of all, we need to break the market at least this area. If we want to go for bullish. If we want to go for bullish, we need this area to be broken. Let me correct it properly, my dear. Okay. So on the flip side, if we want to go bearish, we need to break at least I am telling you again, this area, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, these 9 candlesticks are ranging almost. 9 means we have 1.5 day ranging. Okay guys, these are the glitches which confused us whether we should go bullish and bearish. And my opinion, to be very safe, to get bullish, we need to break this one, and to get bearish, we need to break this one. But on bearish side, we have a huge double bottom, a very big support. You guys can see. So rather not playing here, let's go to day time frame. Let's remove this. These are not safe anymore, in my opinion. Let's go to daily time frame. Here, what we will do, we will see this. If it breaks this area, come down, retest this area and fail, it will move to this area. No question about it. It may do like this, or it may have another thing it can do like this. may do this. These are the two areas. On the flip side, if it breaks, if it wants to go bullish, it needs to break this guy here, this candle. It needs to break off. It needs to break off. So what we will do, we will take trade if we find a retest pass here, then we will take the trade. That's one trade. And the other trade, if it breaks this area, I mean this candle area, then we will go, this area will show some reaction, then we will go bullish. But in between, I will not prefer, in between, if you say what is that, I will not take any trade. 2062 and in between 2031, these 31 pips area, I will not prefer to take any trade at all. This area, I will not. Let me define it in a proper way. This area I will not take any trade. That's the idea I have for gold for this week. Until then, I don't prefer, because I wanted to breach 2025. That was the previous week marking. I mentioned very clearly that is a dangerous point from where the price will go up, and it did. It came to 2024.35 and it started moving up. And same thing now for the bullish bias. If I say bullish bias, this guy is controlled from here, so I want this guy to be broken. Okay guys, these are my idea about gold. Sorry, I cannot provide you. Sorry guys, I cannot provide you with any exact lead, but this is what I will do. Thank you very much. And if there is any updates, of course I will provide you the updates. For new viewers, please subscribe guys. For old viewers, thank you for your support, the way you are coming back, visiting the videos, and which inspire me to do new videos. Thank you very much.